Hi everybody, this is Miguel Vazquez from Home Central Financial, and this is Ashley.
Hey guys, I'm Ashley. I'm a real estate agent right here and I work with Miguel.
And we just wanted to thank you for watching the video. The theme we wanted to talk about today was just a simple pre-qualification process, and then the real estate part of it, right? So getting pre-qualified to buy your house is very simple. You don't need too many items. The things you need is your ID, Social Security, 2 years of taxes, paycheck stubs for like a month, bank statements, and then after you get all those items, we'll go ahead and pull up your credit. After that, I'll specifically tell you, okay, you qualify for X amount of house, right? 400,000, 500,000, 600,000. And then I'll tell you what your interest rate would be, I'll tell you what your payment will be. I'll answer all your questions, make sure you're very clear on the process. And then after that, the next step would be to actually go and find the house. And Ashley, you want to explain that?
Yeah, so as far as the real estate side, we start looking for a home once Miguel gives me your pre-approval. And then we'll talk about what areas you qualify for and where you would prefer to live. So then once we start looking for homes, you tell me, hey, I like this one, hey, I don't like this one. We start to put in offers when we find the right home. And then once we find the home that you like, we'll open up escrow. And once escrow is opened, you have to give a deposit that's going to go towards your closing cost at the end. And so once that's done, then Miguel submits your loan to the bank, and it's probably like around a 35 day process. And they run your whole application. Miguel's gonna be asking you for stuff, I'm gonna be asking you for stuff, and then the first step would be to do the inspection before anything, because we want to make sure that the foundation, that the roof, everything is intact, and that you know what you're getting yourself into. And then if there's room for negotiation, once the inspection is in, maybe it's something, some lights don't work or it needs some repairs, then we'll ask for repairs and we'll negotiate that. Second part after that would be the appraisal. So the appraisal is going to go out there, and then they're going to give the home the value that it's worth. And then again, if there's more room for negotiation to negotiate the price or negotiate closing costs, then we'll go ahead and start that negotiation process as well. Once all the documents are in, Miguel has a full package for the bank. You're gonna get what you call loan documents, and you're gonna sign those with the notary. Once you sign those with the notary, they're gonna check all your stuff again, make sure you haven't opened new credit cards, that you're still working, you're still an active employee. Once we have all that flat, then the deal finally closes. We get to it records, and then you're officially the homeowner, and we get to celebrate, all of us, for getting you your first home or your second home, your third home. But that's how the process goes.
Yes. So I know it's pretty fast, but thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can email us. You can also reach out to me, 562-881-9811, and we can set up an appointment to pre-qualify you and get you onto your home buying journey. So thank you once again. My name is Miguel Vazquez, and
I'm Ashley, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Message Miguel, send them an email, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Leave us a like, and I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.